If you love outdoors, mountains, and yoga, then you should check Isabel Paige YouTube channel. She was born on January 15, 1998. Her age is 23 years old.
She dropped out of college for traveling. After 8 months of traveling, she returned back to her hometown. With the help of her father, she built a tiny house in mountains. Presently, she lives alone and enjoying her life. She also made collaborative van life adventures video with popular YouTube creator Hannah Lee Duggan. She is a certified yoga instructor. She began growing organic fruits and vegetables. Her parents has a farm in Seattle, Washington, and her father is a carpenter. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe buttons and turn on the bell notification.